Kauai, Hawaii, and we are going to take you to the Keaua Arboretum. So we're going to take a walk through the park. So what I found here was the awesome, colorful rainbow eucalyptus trees. They're found sprinkled around the whole island of Kauai. They're native to the Philippines, Indonesia, and Papua New Guinea. The striking species of eucalyptus has found a home on the island, where it has become a beloved attraction for many visitors.
Okay, so we're at the Keaua Arboretum, and we are going to go check out the rainbow trees. So these trees really have different colored bark, so I'm going to show you because it's cool. And these are all over Hawaii, but more prevalent on Kauai.
So these trees are something out of a fairy tale. The tree's bark is a unique sight to behold, with shades of blue, green, purple, orange, and maroon that give the appearance the trees have been painted with colorful brushstrokes. This striking coloration is the result of the shedding of the tree's outer bark, which exposes the bright, smooth layer underneath. Over time, the exposed bark changes color as it ages and weathers. The most well-known grove of rainbow eucalyptus trees can be found at the Keaua Arboretum, which is where we're at. There are dozens and dozens of trees that can be found in a beautiful meadow across the stream and parking areas. Actual park is about a 0.3 mile out and back trail that passes numerous trees. I don't recommend wearing flip-flops because the trail is kind of uneven and there's hills, and so you're going to want to wear some walking shoes. I also highly recommend some mosquito spray since we are in a little park area with a ton of trees, and an awesome stream that you can actually hop in and take a little swim if it's too hot for you. The locals do like to hang out here. This is one of their spots.
See how this bark is? Like, this is real. There's nothing on here but bark. This is totally just different color bark, and so we're gonna take a walk around it. Oh my gosh, they're so beautiful. These are just so beautiful.
The eucalyptus trees, they really don't have a strong fragrance like most eucalyptus species. But I found it funny because these trees had the same exact color as my green shirt that I was wearing. So these trees are super vibrant. I know you can't tell from the pictures, but they are extreme.
So we're gonna take a walk through here because there's so many. That one right there is just amazing. It is. So we're gonna take a walk up to the top here because some lady said it was really good up there. I have no idea what that is up there. That's an awful big something. I don't want to mess with it. Maybe it's like they have those, I don't know what it is, but there's a closer view. So I have no idea though. we're just going to continue walking up the trail. It's a little bit of steep a walk, but man, how beautiful. I mean, this is really cool because I'm wearing green, and this green right here is the same color as my watch. So it's almost a fluorescent green. And then there's reds in here and just all kinds of different colors. But there's a ton of these around. Like there's one right there. And there's two really big ones right there.
Bark is thinner than what you'd find on most trees. It sheds at various times throughout the year, revealing a bright green underlayer which changes color over time. The combination of air and sunlight react with the bark. The long strips turn from green to shades of red, orange, blue, purple, and even pink. Because it sheds intermittently, the tree's color are all in a consistent state of change, and it will never repeat the same pattern twice.
But that's really cool because the rainbow colors are coming down from it. I wonder, you know what I have not seen here is squirrels. We haven't seen no squirrels here, so we know. Oh yeah, they got like these things, they're like little monks or something. I don't know. I wonder what's going on. I guess I'll go up and then go, well, I guess I'll go over this way. We're gonna have to put our shoes in. Oh, is that bamboo? I don't know if it's bamboo or not, but it sure looks like it. Oh, the things you find in Hawaii. Okay. I'm going to use this as my walking stick. Not that there's any kind of crazy animals like bears or wolves or... shoot, there ain't nothing here. I haven't even seen a deer. Ain't no kangaroos. There ain't nothing here. That's pretty. That is pretty right there. This is going to be my pointing stick. So, that's a really pretty one. Oh, here's one. Oh my gosh, look at this one. Oh, this is freaking awesome. All the way up. How do you like my bamboo walking stick? Yep, that's definitely. Oh, here's the water over here.
Adding to the tree's already impressive features at its height, the rainbow eucalyptus can grow as high as 250 feet within a diameter of up to 6 feet. The tree was originally brought to the island in 1929. You can find them at various locations throughout Hawaii. I remember sharing them on my video to the road to Hana.
Okay, we're going to continue walking down. It's a little bit slippery here. I hear someone jamming out. It's not me, I promise. There's a little river there. There's the bridge we came in. Oh my God, look at those mountains. Oh, they're so pretty.
So this is off the beaten trail. I think we came here after going to the Hindu temple. The roads were a little rough getting here, but you know what? It was so worth it. I would go back here just to hang out at the picnic tables and just stare at the trees. I mean, the nature is just breathtaking in Hawaii. I hope you enjoyed part 2 of Kauai and the rainbow eucalyptus trees. Please don't forget to like, subscribe, and share my videos. And remember, it is up to you to make it fun and make it yours. I'll see you the next time.